Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create the realistic parcel bag mockup in Photoshop. But before we start the tutorial, I want to take a moment to say a big thank you. We have reached a remarkable milestone of 10k subscribers. Your support has been incredible and I'm super excited to continue this journey together. I hope you will join us reaching our next achievement of 100k subscribers. Now let's get back to the video. First we will create a rectangle. Then we will decrease the opacity a little bit to clearly see everything. After that, adjust the rectangle, then you can increase the opacity. Convert the layer into a smart object, then rename it. Select the object layer, right click on the layer image and choose Select Pixels. Select the top layer again, after that add layer mask. Double click on Smart Object Layer image, then place your design. Now save it and close it. Select the object layer again, duplicate it, then place it at the top. Simply change the blending mode to linear bond and decrease the opacity slowly. Duplicate it again, change the blending mode to linear dot. Here we will add the level adjustment layer. Create its clip and mask, then adjust the slider. Now you can see the lighting effects. So this is the before and after. Let's make it more interesting by adding the color lookup. In the left menu, I'm going to use the film stock. Once again, here is the before and after. It's time to create a reflection. Select these 4 layers, duplicate them and convert them into a smart object. Transform it. Simply right click and choose Flip Vertical. Drag it down, right click and choose Perspective. Now adjust it from the edges. Right click again, choose one, then adjust it again. Once you are done, bring it to the bottom. We will decrease the opacity to 50%. Use the brush tool, decrease its size, add the layer mask and erase it. Let's create a little bit of shine. Select the bottom layer and create a new layer. Remember, the foreground color should be white. Simply increase the brush size and at the end, just one click. Lastly, convert its blending mode to overlay. So finally we are done. Here is the before and after. For now, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.